go across to some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast, and we've accessed what Colonel Purohit told court. In fact, he began by chanting Jai Hind. This is what Colonel Purohit said. He said, I am a soldier. I love my country. I will continue to serve the nation. I was framed in a fabricated case. Don't want to blame anyone. Thank the judiciary for the verdict. Faith of common man has been restored. I want to also go across to Mr. Jha. Mr. Jha, questions are today going to also be raised on the ATS that did the initial investigation. The case went on for 17 years. The torture that Colonel Purohit and Pragya Thakur had to endure, and throughout the course of this period, they maintained that this is a fabricated case and that, one day justice will be done.
Namaste Swati ji and my fellow panelists here. Swati ji, this case, Malegaon blast case, was not only against these 7 accused, but the entire Hindu community at large. When you are blaming the entire Hindu community while labeling this particular act as a Hindu saffron terrorism, you are actually targeting the entire community. You have arrested 7 people and then started the trial, gave the case to NIA, and the torture we have heard here. No, we need to understand that before coming to this judgment today, court has evaluated 323 witnesses, 8 eyewitnesses, 10,800 documents, and across 1,300 pages. Thereafter, court said that there is not an iota of doubt against these 7 accused. So, be it Colonel Purohit or Sadhu Pragya, everyone was accused in this case merely because they were Hindus. And like rightly pointed out by Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday in Parliament, a Hindu can never be a terrorist. So, it was a balancing act because there were too many Islamist attacks in this country during UPA era, bomb blasting everywhere, here and there, and with the involvement of Pakistan and, other powers. So, it was an act to also include Hindu in a bad light and do something like an equivalent to that of Islamic terrorism. So for example, if there is Lashkar-e-Taiba or there is Jamaat-e-Dawa, etc., so you need to have a counterpart, and that's how they targeted Avina Bharat and targeted these Sadhvis. So while acquitting them, the NIA court specifically said that Sadhvi has already renounced the marital life 2 years before this blast, and the entire incident was very sham. So like as far as your question is concerned,
right,
I feel that there must be investigation against everyone who were involved to do this conspiracy against Hindu community at large.